Wow guys, this is totally insane! Millions of Spotify fans thought they'd discovered the next psych rock sensation until it vanished. Meet Velvet's Sundown, a totally AI-generated band that racked up over 500,000 listeners with fake faces, fake tours, fake bios, just slick machine beats made with Suno. Then the truth exploded. It was all a trolling art hoax. And now the real question, are Apple and Spotify sleepwalking into an AI music crisis? So how did they pull it off? And more importantly, how can you do it too? Step 1, ChatGPT. Just tell it, give me a retro psych rock band name. Make it feel mysterious and research what's trending on Spotify right now. Boom, it gives you a band name, genre, even mood boards if you ask. Step 2, Suno. This is where the magic happens. You generate full tracks, vocals, and all. But here's the trick, you can create a consistent persona in Suno, so all your future songs feel like they come from the same artist. That's how Velvet Sundown fooled everyone. It wasn't just one track, it was a whole vibe. So I just created a fake band called Velvet Eclipse Runners, and here is my new hit. Let me know in the comments what you think.
We are the Velvet Eclipse Runners, dancing where the night discovers boundless skies and endless wonder, breaking through the cosmic thunder.
Step 3, visuals. Use Vortex AI to generate sick album covers, band photos, concert posters, create fake gigs, tour visuals, even fake interviews if you want. Make the band look realer than real. Step 4, distribution. Just upload to DistroKid. That's it. It pushes your AI music to Spotify, Apple Music, even TikTok. In minutes, you're a real artist. No label, no contracts, no gatekeepers. And here's the juicy bit. There are rumors Spotify might be quietly promoting its own AI-made music because it doesn't have to pay royalties on it. Nobody knows for sure. But Velvet Sundown reaching over 1 million listeners? That didn't happen by accident. So now the final question, guys. If it sounds good, does it matter who made it? Is it art? Is it a scam? Or is this just the future? Let me know in the comments. Hit like and subscribe for more AI madness.